Hey, Gordon.
Hey, Kevin, good to see you.
Same. Well, man, you got a busy job site out there.
Yeah, we've come a long way since the last time I saw you.
A lot of progress, including right here. We're in the master suite?
We're in the master suite right here. Okay. And we have a problem here. We have two closets, one darker than the other, and we want to introduce more natural light.
All right, so obviously we could blast some lights in there, but if you want natural light, interior spaces are always tough.
Correct.
Although a window in this closet is nice and rare. You don't always have that.
Correct, but we still wanted to introduce more natural light.
So what are you thinking?
Well, the old way we would have put a skylight in, but now that we have such a high ceilings with an attic, and then the high pitch roof, we're going to introduce something which is called a sun tunnel, which we love to use. It's a little cleaner look. It's spacious. It just fits better in a room this tight with the sizing.
If you had done a skylight in, say, this room and in that closet right there, I mean, given the fact that we've got an attic above us, how are you handling that?
Well, we wouldn't have been able to put a skylight in this room, but in this one we could, but we would have had to frame a chase, and that would have been off balance in the room, and how do you finish one side to the other with this chase? So.
All right, so sun tunnel it is?
Sun tunnel it is. Here it is.
Walk me through what a sun tunnel is.
Well, the sun tunnel is on the outside of the roof. We have a housing that is put onto the roof, and then it's all sealed in, and then the roofing goes over it. What you do is you attach these.
Okay, that is shiny. Wow, look at that, huh? That is crazy. So that is going to be all the reflective.
Correct. So it's it.
So that's creating our tunnel right there.
That's the tunnel.
What do we do with this?
Well, let me show you upstairs. And here we are. We're coming into a mechanical room on the 3rd floor.
Yep, a lot of stuff going on in here.
Yeah, very tight in here.
Okay. Oh, 2 of them.
Two of them.
Expected, right?
Yeah, this is one sun tunnel for the darker closet downstairs, and this is for the tunnel that we're using in the room we're working in now.
You can already see the light streaming in. Coming right between the rafter bay right there.
Yeah, so what we chose is a 14-inch skylight that is designed to go in between 16 on center framing, which is a normal framing practice.
Chose it so they've got other sizes, bigger, smaller?
Correct.
Okay. And so there's the roof angle, 45 degrees coming or so, and then we've got to come down to the flat ceiling of the closet. We've got to make that turn.
Correct.
And you can see the bend that is built into this, like ductwork.
Exactly. So what we have here is we have a piece that we can, we can adjust the angles.
As you spin this.
As we spin it around,
Got it.
And then we put a piece of straight, and then we take that angle and we put it right down, a second angle down into the ceiling.
And so do we have to worry about the number of angles or the length of the run? What do they say?
Now what's good here is we have a short run. They say anywhere from 20 to 25 feet is max. Okay. With a couple angles. Anything other than that, you start to lose light.
Gotcha. So shorter run, straighter run, more light.
Absolutely.
So this is going to be perfect.
This is what we're looking for.
All right, well, let's make that connection. Let's get this light into the closet.
So let's go see the finished product.
Okay.
So here we are. I think before we're going to install the final lens, we're going to put in what is a solar nightlight.
Solar nightlight, huh? Oh, look at that. LED diodes, rechargeable batteries, and I guess that's the solar panel?
That's the solar panel.
And where does that go?
Well, that will hang inside our tubing.
All right. So that's just what, charging all day long when the sun is out?
When the sun is out, that's getting as much energy to those batteries, and it will nice ambient light until the battery's done.
So as soon as the sun goes down, those LEDs come on?
Kick on.
Oh, that's very clever. And so let's take a look at the lens.
And here's the lens.
Almost like a little diffuser.
Yep.
No problem. And that clips right in.
There you go, Oleg.
Look at all that light right there.
Oh, yeah.
Not just any light, though, too, right? Real sunlight.
Real sunlight.
Love it. See the light pouring down on Ollie's face. Gordon, always a pleasure working with you.
Pleasure.
Thanks for
seeing
showing
you again.
us.
Take care.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.